Hey kids, welcome to Make Your Own Hover Creation. So here, see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 medicine caps. They're empty. And now we have magic ink pack. I actually use tape, like this roll. And now, Jackson, bring it up. And now for you to see it go like this. And now watch. You're supposed to.
Wow, that's super cool.
I know, right? So you need a sink full of water. Yeah, there's water. And when you're done, take the car off and take it off. You're supposed to bring it down to the chair. Put it on this paper towel. Then put the car on the paper towel. Now see? You're going to like this because it actually hovers. Bye, kids.